Hey guys, welcome to Blue Collection. Today I'm going to show you the complete Toy Story collection in 3D. In this box set we have Toy Story 1, 2 and 3, all of them in 3D. Comes in this really nice box set. It's all silver and has this lenticular 3D poster. So let's open here so I can better show you the poster. So as I was mentioning, it is a lenticular. We have Toy Story 1, 2 and 3 all embossed and really nice. Okay, so let's remove here, let me show you. We have 1, 2 and 3. First of all, let me start by saying all these 3 movies are region free. All of them just have one disc only in 3D. And just by touching I can tell you that all of them are eco-friendly. And also inside the box you should find your codes for your Disney movie rewards. So here we have 3 codes for each single movie. So let's start with Toy Story 1. As I mentioned, it is a one disc only. And eco-friendly, very flexible. Number 2. Same thing. Very nice. All 3 of them has a fantastic artwork. First of all, this box set is only for those who already have the Toy Story Blu-ray collection. Why? Because it only comes with 3D. That's it. It's a one disc only. As some of you may know, 3D discs usually have the 2D version included, but not these. Yeah, that's right, not these. So you have to decide. This box set with just one disc only 3D and no special features whatsoever goes for $70. But the one sold separately goes for $110, just because it comes with 3D and also what you already have. The 2D, Blu-ray special features, DVD. I think $70 for this box set with no 2D and no special features is way too expensive. And here's my comparison. This toy box collection also goes for $70, but has 10 discs. Here's another example. This Cars 2 box set goes for $80, but has 11 discs and also includes 3D. For this price, they should have included another Blu-ray with the 2D of the film. Alright guys, thanks for watching this video, and click on Cars to see the review of the Director's Edition, or click on Bus to see the review of the Toy Box collection. Thanks again and see you next time.